Welcome to ATI, Advanced Technologies for Industry. This video is about the policy brief on industrial recovery and technology policy. Alongside previous drivers for industrial change, the COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted several new reasons for accelerating the digital and green transformation of industry in the EU. There is a need for increasing resilience in terms of supply chain transparency and predictability, as well as flexibility to production. Greening industrial production is becoming more and more a new pathway for growth, driven by both public and private initiatives. Creating a sustainable and human-centered industry should serve the needs of society and become a solution provider for user needs. Industry 4.0 reflected the highly transformative impact of a digital, data-driven and interconnected industry. The new concept on Industry 5.0 that emerged in the policy debate is focused on how to make industries more future-proof, resilient, sustainable and human-centered. The 2020 EU Industrial Strategy was updated in May 2021 to reflect the new circumstances that arose from the COVID-19 pandemic. It reaffirms priorities and considers the lessons learned from the crisis to boost the recovery and enhance the EU's open strategic autonomy. The strategy supports new industrial alliances in strategic areas, where such alliances are the best tool to accelerate activities that would not develop otherwise. Moreover, the industrial strategy offers new measures to accelerate green and digital transitions by investing in reskilling and upskilling, and by co-creating transition pathways in partnerships. The updated strategy calls for identifying and monitoring the main indicators of the competitiveness of the EU economy as a whole. The following policy measures should support the industrial recovery. Sustained financing will be essential to reach the necessary transformational effects and stimulate a technology-based industrial recovery. Funding alone will be not enough. Smart political decisions are needed to foster new partnerships. Industrial alliances and public-private partnerships should remain continuously open to new partners with a longer-term focus on innovation. Successful recovery and transformation will depend also on new business models, organizational and service innovation. Recovery programs will need to put these objectives back on their agenda. Policymakers will need to manage the accelerated pace of change and the short-term structural unemployment issues. Current measures to retrain and upskill staff and support lifelong learning will work in the long term, but currently the structural mismatches in labour supply and demand need to be tackled more urgently. If this report caught your interest, you can download the entire report and other ATI reports from the ATI website ati.ec.europa.eu.